In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Canva design to Shopify. Start by opening Canva in your browser and going to the banner design you already created. Once the design is open in the editor, move to the top right corner and click Share. A menu will open from there. In that menu, click Download. This opens the download options for the design. Now look at the file type setting. Make sure it is set to PNG. This is usually the default option, so in many cases it will already be selected when the panel opens. Once you confirm that the file type is PNG, go to the purple download button at the bottom of that panel and click it. Canva will begin preparing the file. Wait a moment for the image to finish downloading and save to your computer. After that completes, the Canva design is now stored on your device as a PNG image file, ready to upload into Shopify. Next, open your Shopify admin in a new browser tab. With Shopify open, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and click Online Store. That will expand the store options underneath it. In that submenu, click Themes. You will now land on the Themes page, where your current published theme is listed. On your current theme, click the Edit Theme button. This opens the Shopify Theme Customizer. When the customizer loads, you will see a live preview of your homepage on the right side and the section settings and layout panel on the left side. This is where you will add the Canva design to the page. In the left sidebar, click Add Section. The section picker will open and show the available content sections you can insert into the homepage. In that list, select Hero. As soon as you choose it, Shopify adds a new image banner section to the page. You should now see that new section appear in the left sidebar, and in the live preview you will see a banner area with a placeholder image. Now click the new image banner section in the left sidebar to open its settings. This reveals the controls for the banner you just added. In the image area, find the first image slot and click Select Image. That opens the media picker, where you can either choose an existing image or upload a new one. Inside the media picker, click Upload. Your computer's file browser will open. Navigate to the Canva PNG file you downloaded a moment ago, select it, and confirm the upload. Wait for the upload to finish. When the image appears in the media picker, click the uploaded image to select it. Then click Done or click Select, depending on which button Shopify shows in your version of the editor. As soon as you confirm the image, the Canva design will appear in the live preview as the banner image. This lets you immediately see how it looks across the width of the page inside the image banner section. From here, move down through the image banner settings to adjust the section if needed. Find banner height below the image settings. Open that option and choose medium or large, depending on how prominent you want the banner to appear on the homepage. When you switch between these options, watch the live preview update so the section changes size on the page. Then check the overlay content fields in the same banner settings. If the section includes a heading or button text by default, you can update those fields directly. Click into the heading field and edit the text if needed. Click into the button text field and change that text if needed as well. If your Canva design already includes all the text you want visible in the banner itself, clear those text fields so the extra Shopify overlay content is removed from the section. If you want to change where this banner sits on the homepage, go back to the section list in the left sidebar. Click and drag the image banner section up or down in the list. As you move it, Shopify will reposition that section on the page. Place it above or below the other sections based on where you want it to appear. Once the banner image is in place, the height looks right, the text fields are set the way you want, and the section is in the correct position, go to the top right corner of the customizer and click Save. Shopify will save the changes to your live theme. Your Shopify store homepage now displays the Canva design banner as a full-width image banner in the position you selected. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.